Entry Doors Conway is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and security. Our expert team specializes in front door replacement and custom entry doors, ensuring a perfect fit for your unique style and needs. Whether you need residential entry doors or commercial entry doors, we provide top-notch solutions tailored to your requirements. Energy-efficient entry doors. Conway are becoming increasingly popular as they help reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Our selection includes steel entry doors, fiberglass doors, and wooden entry doors, all designed to provide superior insulation and durability. With our energy-efficient doors Conway, you can enjoy a more sustainable and cost-effective home or business environment. Door replacement services in Conway AR are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your entry doors Conway. Our skilled technicians offer door frame replacement, entry door maintenance, and door weatherproofing to keep your doors in optimal condition. We also provide door hardware installation and entry door security enhancements to ensure your property remains safe and secure. Custom Doors Conway, Arkansas offer a unique opportunity to express your personal style and enhance your home's aesthetic appeal. Our entry door design services include decorative glass doors, storm doors, and patio doors, allowing you to create a stunning entrance that reflects your taste. With our sliding entry doors and entry door upgrades Conway, you can achieve a modern and functional entryway. Door painting services in Conway AR are an excellent way to refresh the look of your entry doors without the need for a full replacement. Our professional team provides high-quality door painting Conway AR, ensuring a flawless finish that enhances your home's exterior. Whether you want to update your existing doors or complement your new entry door installation, our painting services deliver exceptional results. Entry door consultation and door replacement cost. Conway AR are important considerations for anyone looking to upgrade their entry doors. Our experts provide comprehensive consultations to help you choose the best options for your needs and budget. We offer transparent pricing and detailed estimates, so you can make informed decisions about your entry door upgrades Conway. Door lock installation Conway is a critical aspect of entry door security. Our experienced technicians ensure that your locks are installed correctly and function smoothly, providing peace of mind for you and your family. With our entry door security Conway services, you can rest assured that your home or business is protected against unauthorized access. Conway AR door installation services are designed to provide seamless and efficient solutions for all your entry door needs. From front door services Conway to custom doors. Conway, Arkansas, our team is dedicated to delivering exceptional craftsmanship and customer satisfaction. Trust us for all your entry door replacement Conway and installation needs, and experience the difference of working with true professionals. Door replacement cost. Conway AR can vary depending on the materials and design choices you make. Our team provides detailed estimates and works with you to find the best solutions within your budget. Whether you're interested in steel doors Conway AR, fiberglass entry doors Conway, or wooden doors Conway, Arkansas, we offer competitive pricing and exceptional value.